रणवीर जी, स्वागत है आपका दोस्त कास्ट पे. Very cool that we're both wearing aviators slash glasses to hide our many years of disuse. Um, there are so many tangents I want to take, but let me start with this. Of course, you went to Big Boss, you had your reasons. लेकिन at what point does it become not a show but very tribalistic? क्योंकि आपका दिमाग खराब होना शुरू हो जाता है, आप अपने ख्यालों के साथ पूरे दिन बैठे हो और आप 1.5 महीने रह के आए हो. At what point does it become survival of the fittest, where all your basic ethics and emotions go out of the way?
No, for me, it was actually the other way around. I thought the challenge was, living with strangers and you have limited resources. Your patience is tested, your humanity is tested, your discipline is tested. But ये जो आप element कह रहे हैं आप tribalism का और वो जो anything to win वाला वो मैंने वहाँ जाके समझा actually when I saw other participants behaving a bit like that. So you can say about second 2-3 weeks लगे मुझे to get to that kind of mindset.
I have a theory. मेरे को लगता है कि आप इतने ज़्यादा emotionally stable इसलिए रह पाए. I could be very wrong. Is because as an actor you've experienced probably the depths of hell and the heights of heaven. आपने अपने acting की journey के अंदर हर चीज़ experience कर रखी है, right? So when everyone else was riled up, I saw you the most composed, barring a few fights. Was that the case for you, sort of coming out as this person that everyone sought out for advice and someone who's very level-headed?
नहीं यार, like I said in other interviews also, पहले 3 दिन में ना any kind of a put on just fell apart basically. Because जब आप 2-2.5 दिन भूखे रहते हो ना and you're with a bunch of strangers who are also hungry and angry and under pressure, under stress. So आपका जो anything which you are trying to put on, at least मेरा तो खत्म हो गया था. So from there on, like I said, I felt okay, this is a environment where, again I'm repeating, is that where resources will be limited, you will be tried at every point, whether it's your humanity, your relationships, and other things. So मैं तीसरे दिन से ही I got into that space basically as zen as I can. So that's what I did right up till the 3rd week. I tried to just be as zen as I could. And 3rd week में जब वो हुआ ना, वो जो एक हुआ था, वो जो flowers वाला task हुआ था, I was bleeding and everything. And these guys, तब तक मेरे जिन लोगों से नहीं बन रही थी ना वो चलो, it was still controllable. But उस task में there was some things happened with the way these guys played that game. How I got suddenly Big Boss की googly eye, and I suddenly got in a spot and I couldn't, under pressure, I made a tactical move in the sense of the game. Trying, because I was still trying to be, I'm not sure if I was trying to be humane or I was trying to be, like you said, the tribal warlord. So some things happened there which kind of got me into the tribal mindset then. So you can say till the 3rd week I was trying to be zen, and then I turned into tribal warlord.
उससे मेरे को ये चीज़ याद आती है कि see, मैंने तो पूरे दिन बैठ के रात को my favorite activity, in fact I turned away from many events just to watch Big Boss because I'm friends with Neeraj Goyat, right? I know him well.
So you were watching the 24-hour feed?
No. But on some nights of desperation I did. क्योंकि क्या है ना, मैं आप समझो कि रियलिटी टीवी में मेरे को ऐसा कोई अट्रैक्शन खास नहीं है. पर नीरज से मैं मिला था यमुनानगर में, उसका पॉडकास्ट करा था. तो नीरज केम टू मी 3 days before कि मैं बिग बॉस में जा रहा हूँ. What should I do? I said go and talk about being a jat all the time. Appease the masses. Use that. So but Neeraj came out very soon. But Neeraj came out, I got invested. And I kept watching it again and again. And every single night मैं हैदराबादी चिकन बिरयानी मंगवा के छाती पे लैपटॉप रख के बस बिग बॉस देखे जा रहा हूँ. And I'm like, I'm so obsessed with the lives of others. And you're just leading your life, living a show. Right? पर 24 घंटे होते हैं ना, आपके पास फोन है. And you can't write either, right? Can you?
Can't read. It's so bad कि अभी for example देता हूँ, जैसे मुनावर आया था towards the end, and
आप लोग तो तड़प रहे होंगे कोई नया बंदा बाहर से आ जाए.
तो उसने मजाक अपने जो मेरे रोस्ट में अपने मजाक के लिए उसने मेरे को पॉकेट से बिल निकाल के दिया मजाक में कि ये शहनाज ने जो कपड़े भेजे उसका बिल है.
हाँ,
वो बिल तक वापस भेजना पड़ता है. So it's like that. You can't have any written text. It's so bad that one of the paintings in the living room has something which looks like text
हाँ.
but is not text. It's just shapes like text. So you're completely. It is truly. I mean, Big Boss himself said it started off as a social experiment.
हाँ.
It is truly a human experiment.